Good morning. Welcome to session 11. So now we move to an exciting journey when we move to the second level of our vocabulary building. The first 10 chapters are over. This is the second level of our vocabulary building session. And we will now unravel the mysteries of the earth through the eyes of the most intelligent people on the planet. For next few sessions, we'll find out the etymological meaning of one who knows. Now, these are the most intelligent people on the planet. These are the scientists. We will try to figure out how to talk about scientists, because anything they know or they talk is based on hard facts that can be recorded, tested, checked, and verified. Science deals in human knowledge. It has made galloping progress in last 2 centuries. From Galileo, who looked into the first telescope on the top of a tower in Pisa, Italy, to Pasteur, who watched microbes through a microscope, to Einstein with all his relativity theories, till more recently Dr. Anthony Fauci. We were quite sure that we've done a good job, in fact a fantastic job, to fill almost all the gaps that existed in our areas of ignorance, or existed in humanity, or existed on this planet. But then came Corona, COVID-19, the coronavirus. I don't mean to have a pessimistic view, but yes, it is dangerous, but I'm sure it's just a matter of time when the world will triumph over Corona. तो भैया अगले कुछ सेशन में हम बात करेंगे भांति भांति के अलग प्रकार के साइंटिस्ट की, जिससे आपको उनके नाम और उनके काम दोनों के बारे में अच्छी जानकारी मिल जाएगी. Let's begin with our first scientist who deals with science of mankind. Science of mankind. And what is that? How we developed in mind and body from primitive culture and early forms. What was man like when he was just about evoluting from primitive culture to the present form. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our first scientist. He is an anthropologist. Please make sure spelling is right and the pronunciation you get it. Anthropologist. संपूर्ण मनुष्य जाति के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. ये आदि मानव काल से हमारा शारीरिक और मानसिक विकास कैसे हुआ, हमारी शुरुआती समय और सभ्यता कैसी थी, और उसका संपूर्ण संदर्भ भी समझना चाहते हैं ये. Next scientist number 2, the word number 2 for today's session. The field is the heavens and all that's in them. Planets, galaxies, stars, and other universe. Cosmos. We call him an astronomer. ये महाशय ऊपर आकाश में क्या चल रहा है उसके बारे में संपूर्ण जानकारी चाहते हैं. ग्रह क्या होते हैं, तारे क्या होते हैं, यहाँ तक कि मिल्की वे या आकाश गंगा, सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. 2 साइंटिस्ट के नाम मिल गए हैं. आज हम आपके साथ 10 साइंटिस्ट के नाम शेयर करेंगे. उसके बाद उन साइंटिस्ट के नाम से हम रूट्स निकालेंगे, फिर नए शब्द बनाएंगे. थर्ड साइंटिस्ट की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. कंपैरेटिवली दिस फील्ड इज लिटिल एंड इज आवर होम, आवर प्लैनेट, द whirling ball on which we live, the earth. This scientist is bothered about how did our planet come into existence? What is it made of? How were its mountains, oceans, rivers, plains and valleys formed? And what do we find in case if we start digging deep down below us? So the third scientist on our list who studies the earth is geologist. Get the spelling right, get the pronunciation right, very important. Geologist. अपने ऊपर क्या है वो तो एस्ट्रोनॉमर भाई ने देख लिया. अब ये बताओ भैया, अपने नीचे कौन देखेगा? ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट तो ये जानना है कि पृथ्वी के अंदर क्या है. कौन देखता है? जियोलॉजिस्ट. So what is life? We move on to the next scientist. What is life? The field is all about living organisms, from the simplest one-celled amoeba to the amazing, complex and mystifying structure we call human beings. जी हाँ, हम plant or animal, flesh or vegetable, denizen of water, earth or air. If it lives and grows, this guy is interested. And who is he? He is a biologist. जीवन क्या है, चलता फिरता एक खिलौना है. सर आप गाना भी गाते हैं? हाँ भाई, कभी कभी ये गाता हूँ. जगजीत सिंह साहब ने निदा फाजली साहब की गज़ल 1994 में गाई थी. इस सेशन के बाद सुनिएगा ज़रूर. अभी पढ़ाई करो. Flora is all the plant life present on Earth. Biology classifies life into two great divisions, plant and animal. Plant is flora and animal is fauna. This scientist's province is the former category which is plant. Flower, trees, shrubs, moss, marine vegetation, blossoms, fruits, seeds, grasses and all the rest that make up the plant kingdom. And we call him a botanist. Again, please ensure that you're getting the pronunciation right. This is the correct pronunciation, botanist. And you get the spelling right. जी हाँ, ये हैं वनस्पति विशेषज्ञ. बॉटनिस्ट को हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं? वनस्पति विशेषज्ञ. इनको 70 के दशक में बॉलीवुड में घास फूस का डॉक्टर भी बोला जाता था. घास फूस का डॉक्टर. इस सेशन के बाद चुपके देख लीजिएगा. Scientist of fauna is a zoologist in which he studies the animal kingdom, including the structure, embryology, evolution, classification, habits, and distribution of all animals, both living and extinct, and how they interact with their ecosystems. All living creatures are the special area of exploration of this scientist, zoologist. हम उन्हें कहते हैं zoologist, जो जानवरों का अध्ययन करते हैं. Do you know there are over 8 lakh different species of insects and millions of individuals of every species? And this scientist is interested in every one of them. Let's welcome the entomologist. The entomologist, जो छोटे प्राणियों की तरफ जिनका ध्यान रहता है. कीट विज्ञान शास्त्री. हम इंसानों को लगता है ये पृथ्वी पर बेकार में है. Insects don't belong to the earth. बट आज मौका मिला है तो आपको इनकी सार्थकता का एहसास दिला देता हूँ. ये हमारे फूड चेन्स में इतनी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं कि अगर ये पृथ्वी से विलुप्त हुए, अगर पृथ्वी से चले गए, पृथ्वी पे ख़त्म हो गए, तो यहाँ पे जीवन का संकट हो जाएगा. एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर ह्यूमन रेस, एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर फूड चेन, दैट ऑल द animals and the insects coexist. Philologist is a linguistic scientist who explores the subtle, intangible, elusive uses of that unique tool that distinguishes human beings from all the other forms of life, which is language. This person, in short, a student of linguistics, ancient or modern, primitive and cultured, Sanskrit, English, Hindi, Chinese, Hebrew, Icelandic, Slavic, Teutonic, every other kind of spoken language, now or in the past. Even as Pidgin English. You know, Pidgin English? Pidgin English is a very funny kind of English in which a piano is described as the big box. You hit them in teeth, he cry. Pidgin English. Big box, you hit them in teeth, he cry. Piano. And in which Hamlet's famous quandary, to be or not to be, that is the question. is translated into can do, no can do. How fashion? Google up Pidgin English to entertain yourself. Pidgin English. You must check it out. You must. Philologist, ये साइंटिस्ट शोध करता है भाषाओं के ऊपर. Now we get to semanticist. Semanticist, another scientist. This linguistic scientist explores the subtle, intangible, elusive relationship between language and thinking, between meaning and words, and is interested in determining the psychological causes and effect of what people say and what people write. ये वो साइंटिस्ट हैं जो आपके विचारों और आपके कहे शब्दों में रिश्ता ढूंढते हैं, उसके ऊपर रिसर्च करते हैं. वो डायलॉग सुना होगा, अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो. 3 Idiots भी देखिएगा सेशन के बाद. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट माई मदर्स प्रोफेशन. शी वॉज अ रीडर इन इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी in sociology. Now she is retired. Sociologist is a scientist who is a student of the ways in which people live together, their family, their community structure, their customs, their housing, their social relationships, their forms of government, and their layers of caste and class. इनको हम हिंदी में समाजशास्त्री कहते हैं. समाजशास्त्री या सोशियोलॉजिस्ट एक ऐसा वैज्ञानिक है जो समाज का अध्ययन करते हैं. तो ये हो जाते हैं हमारे 10 आज के शब्द. आपको मिल गए नए 10 शब्द दोस्तों. And now in the coming session, we will take out new root words from these 10 words. I am very excited. This is one of my favorite topics now that we are getting into, and I hope that I make you as excited about this as I am. So, we will take out new root words from these 10 words, understand them, and subsequently we'll see how we get new words from these new roots we got today. Let me tell you, it will be an awesome experience which you might never have had. So get ready for an exhilarating ride, friends. Till then, enjoy the learning. Take care. Bye.